Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. And earlier today, I was chatting with a friend and we started thinking about purpose. It reminded me that purpose is something we discover. In life, I know from at least my personal experience that first we were all designed to do something here. There is no manufacturer who produces an item without already predetermining what that item will do. So, since God sent us here, there is a reason and a purpose for us to do. Whether it's for you to be a mother, whether for you to be a business owner and serve the masses, or just to be a musician, an artist, whatever it is. But it is something you have to discover on your own. It's a process of discovery, a process of searching. One of the things we realized as I was chatting was every system around us pulls us into their own system, whether it's their system of work, their system of doing things, but everyone has their dream and they're trying to bring you into their dream to fulfill their dream and their vision. Which is okay because there are some people who really don't mind. But for you as an ego, if you're listening to me right now, I know you mind. I know you want to find your authenticity, to be the best version of yourself, to serve and do the things you know your heart is crying for. But you have to discover what it is. Whatever your purpose is, it has been hidden under layers of life experiences, good, bad, and ugly. So your job is to remove the layers, start unveiling. That's why they always say, while you're in your search for your purpose, you have to go back to your younger years when you were really young, maybe like in kindergarten. Some of your first memories. What did you love to do? What was that spirit you had, that excitement of life before, life happened to you? What was that? And sometimes there are telltale signs where our purpose lies. For example, there may be things you love to do, and you do them well, you do them naturally, you don't even think twice. Why? Because it's who you are, it's showing you glimpses of where your purpose lies. For example, since I was very young, I've always been an encourager. Even when I'm in a bad mood, I can still encourage someone. It is the weirdest thing. But it was all hidden behind shyness because I was very, very shy until maybe I was 20 or something. I was extremely shy. So the only people who would see my teaching or any kind of sharing were those who were in my inner circle. Otherwise, nobody else. Until by God's grace, really, I started finding mentors who pushed me out of my comfort zone. They would give me roles where I was so uncomfortable, but my gifts and my sharing got stronger and better and more courageous and bold, and the shyness started dissolving away. Actually, as soon as I pushed out of my comfort zone, the boldness naturally came. And with time, you get bolder and bolder standing in your gift because the gift is good and perfect. It's a heavenly gift. So nothing can tint it or make it whatever. It is good and perfect. Yes, it may be packaged in the wrong box with the wrong ribbon and wrong colors, but you cannot deny the gift. You see? So my encouragement to you today is find your purpose. You'll have to take time and sit and evaluate your life to see where the grace and the gifting is, and the because it will, your purpose will lie in a place where it's so natural that you may miss it because it comes too natural to you, but yet other people standing outside find it extraordinary, you know, and it's something you're willing to do day and night because it energizes you. It's funny because if I'm in a funky mood, when I start encouraging someone else, all the funkiness goes away because the gift is designed to not only fulfill you but also fulfill to the hearer. So, because supposing you are a baker or you create things, maybe a welder, you know, as you're creating and doing your welding thing, the people who receive your done products, they are also happy and fulfilled by just looking at this wonderful creation, right? So I'm encouraging you, look for your gift, look for your purpose, and start polishing it because it's like a diamond in the rough. The diamond is there. Just because it's coming from a pile of mud, all it needs is to be put under a fire a few times, molded and polished, and then you'll get this wonderful diamond. You know, you are a light set on a hill. Yes. So as your light shines, other people will be able to find themselves in this light. So share your purpose, be bold. Even when it's not yet perfected, you will perfect as you go. You don't have to wait for perfection. Just keep serving your purpose as you go, polish it up, and God will show you the ways. Remember, there may be a uniqueness to what you do, but honor that. Honor that, because in that uniqueness, that's where the greatness lies. The greatness lies. We've come to this illusion thinking that popularity is the makes things right, make things good and great. Not necessarily. It's those who came up with the unique things behind closed doors that caused the world to change and come up as world changers. So honor your uniqueness, because it may be the missing piece your city, your world, your area, your people, your culture, that may be the missing piece they need, and you have it. Well, find your purpose. It's something you discover. As always, this is Mother Ego. Check out motherego.net for additional learning. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.